the Heights aspires to reduce the number of young people in Wales aged 11 to 19 who are not in education, employment or training, or at risk of being so. Arts Council of Wales is one of a number of partners in this programme. Our project, which is part of First Footholds, aims to provide innovative approaches to re-engage young people in active learning and personal development. Arts Council of Wales is co-sponsor of the £27 million European social-funded Welsh Assembly Government project. They cover a variety of arts-based activities and are delivered by a range of arts and community organisations, as well as universities and local authorities. The activities have all taken place across the 15 local authorities that make up the convergence area of Wales.
Through the Reach the Heights programme, we wanted to reach some of those young people who it's most difficult to engage in creative activity, the so-called NEETs, the not in employment, education or training. So these are young people who, for a variety of reasons, have fallen down the cracks in terms of mainstream social, educational training provision. And through the arts, we want to bring them back into the mainstream.
It is hoped that through participating in arts-based activities, the young people will develop their confidence and motivation, improve their communication skills, their decision-making, and the ability to work in teams. Above all, it is hoped that the young people will develop a stronger platform to continue their journey back into education, training, or employment.